In the last month, as quite possibly everyone should already know, Bitcoin broke its historic high at the $20,000 mark and has since gone up absurdly. Many investors, both professionals and amateurs, increasingly invest heavily in Bitcoin through pure FOMO. For those unfamiliar with this acronym, FOMO means fear of missing out, which is the anxiety created by the constant influx of information on social media, informing you that your friends are doing something way more fun than you are. But are they making a good decision when buying Bitcoin when the train has already left the station? In today's video we will analyze this issue in a more detailed and technically point of view. First of all, let us clarify one thing: Bitcoin is indeed a great investment, but, like all other investments, it must be carried out at a strategic time, and not just because everyone around you says to buy. This rise we have seen in the last few days shows something very clear: there is a lot of volume around this crypto, which drastically increases the levels of volatility. So, just as it is going up, it can also go down. Just as you can make a lot of money, you can also lose a lot of money. Never forget that. Another thing to consider is that buying Bitcoin must be a long-term investment. So, there is no point in rushing to buy, as your goal in a long-term investment is to try to buy after a big pullback, at a fair price, and this is where we will be based on our analysis. As you can see from our graph, we have already seen a small regression in the $40,000 mark, possibly because it is a psychological ceiling, which proves that there will always be falls. Now think about it: if suddenly big investors start selling their Bitcoins to invest in other areas, what do you think will happen? If you thought there was going to be a big pullback, you are right. An example of this is Finland, which recently announced that it will sell Bitcoin worth $75 million. In addition to this aspect, it must also be considered that Bitcoin is not unstoppable. There will always be economic events that could cause it to fall. And as the saying goes, the bigger the climb, the bigger the fall. So, our opinion and advice would be to wait for a big regression before thinking about buying Bitcoin, if you are interested, and, after that, let the investment run, because in 1 to 2 years Bitcoin is expected to reach the $100,000 mark. In the next video we will share with you the 3 cryptos that we think are more worth buying in 2021, with the respective statistical and fundamental data, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, we hope we helped you. We also have a page on Instagram where we make some posts about technical aspects of trading and investments, as well as updated news about the global economy. You can also check our group on the Telegram, where we post some promising trading setups and provide fundamental analysis every morning. And the best part, this group is also completely free. We will leave both links in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe our channel. Turn on your notifications bell so you don't lose any of our educational videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.